In how much detail do you keep a record of the equipment in your company? Accounting is just one side. Another side is the personnel who know which equipment belongs to them, and administrators knowing about its age, repairs, and planned renewal. This is an aspect which you probably haven't solved yet. And don't forget those handover protocols and stock takes. It is for exactly this purpose that we have prepared the facility module. It takes care of the definition of any type of equipment, including its specific attributes, administrators, and approval process. It can therefore be used for recording anything from mice and computers through shovels to furniture or software. The implementation begins logically with the definition of equipment types. The name, whether it is possible to install software on it, the definition of users responsible for administration or with rights to see all equipment of a specific type, the approval process for purchasing a new facility under or over the limit, or the process of requesting an existing facility, which can be easier. You can then define specific attributes of any type, such as text, number, yes or no, selection or date field. It is also possible to define a typical variant, if you so have, and want to simplify requesting for employees. You can also define locations where equipment can be found. If you plan to register the software you use, you can define different programs including the number of licenses and dates of purchase. The module enables users to create a request for new equipment, and these requests can also be integrated into the commencement process. Just select the type, enter the justification, and select one of the defined typical variants. Now you are ready to send for approval. Once everybody has approved it, the system generates a task for specific users to prepare the equipment. Every employee can see their equipment on their employee card. From here, authorized personnel can make a mass return or hand over to another person when terminating their employment. In overview, it is possible to filter by any criteria, including custom-defined attributes. It is also possible to export the list to MS Excel for additional statistics and reports. When creating new equipment, the required fields marked with a yellow background must be entered. It is also possible to send the card to other people for entering additional information, such as an evidence number or an invoice number. Coordination with the accounting system is also possible, an area which every customer will want to solve differently. Some have 2 separate registers, others import data from the accounting system, or vice versa. Everything is possible. The specific solution is up to you. If a specific device supports software installation, information regarding installed programs can be added. By doing so, you have the base for performing a license audit, either manually or with specialized software. Supervisors can see the equipment of their subordinates and can also see the movement of equipment to or from their department, so they have an overview of the depreciation costs of their division. We have a separate module for vehicles, which can be integrated with the travel expenses module. The facility module is also part of the mobile phone expenses module. Boss Solution offer other modules that could be beneficial to your company. Why not consider our modules for mobile phone expenses, management of shared folders, leave of absence approval, travel expenses, or agreements? All these solutions are available from Boss.